Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to add the PDF file on the Google Sheet. So let's get start the topics. First of all, we have to make sure the same account login in Google account. So I have same account on Google Drive and Google Sheet. Now I am going to the three dots here is and go to the share option and copy the link as it is and go to the Google Sheet and click the row and often paste the copy link. Also here we can see the PDF file is here and it's shown, it's open the PDF file. That's easy and simple. So that is how you PDF file at the Google Sheet. And thank you.